And we are live. I'm sorry, I just need to adjust my light. And yeah, there you go. See, we're live. This is how it goes. We have some technical difficulties or adjustments that we have to do. And since we're go live, it is what you see is what you get, right? Hello again, everybody. It's me, Mary Ann. I'm a mom. I'm a wife. I'm a full-time sales administrator and an online business owner and mentor. So I just want to hop in for a quick live for you today, this Sunday afternoon on my end here in Ontario, Canada. Hello, everybody. Just a simple heart-to-heart conversation. For a few minutes lang. Lend me a few minutes, right? So, naisip ko lang, napansin nyo ba na life really moves in seasons? Yeah, I just realized that now because today is the first snow here where I am right now in Ontario. So first snowfall in November, right? So parang panibagong season change na naman. So minsan nasa season tayo ng stability in life, right? Minsan struggle, pero minsan transition lang, dadaan lang. And the hardest part isn't the season itself. It's accepting that a new one is again starting. Yun yung pinakamahirap, yung transition eh. Diba? So, marami sa atin, we get stuck because takot tayo sa pagbabago, ganun, kahit alam natin na kailangan talaga. Kasi comfortable na tayo sa routine, pero deep inside, parang may kulang. Alam niyo, nararamdaman niyo ba yun minsan? We've been giving so much to work, right? To our family, our daily responsibilities. Pero yung sarili natin, laging last priority. Mapapansin niyo yun paminsan, right? Kahit obvious na hindi na nag-work ang isang season, pinipilit pa rin natin kasi doon tayo sanay. Yun yung nakagawian natin. So alam ko yan. Kasi dumadaan din ako dyan minsan sa season na yan eh. Yung alam mo na may better, pero hindi mo alam paano magsisimula. Yung bigat na bigat yung transition. May it be career, right? Family, goals, like personal goals, yan. But here is something what I've learned, right? Every season has a purpose. Kailangan talagang pagdaanan natin yan. May seasons of planting, may seasons of waiting, at may season of harvesting. Hindi tayo meant to stay in one place forever, right? Sometimes, si God, He allows a new season not to scare us. Siguro yun lang mapapansin natin simula, nakakatakot. Pero it is for us to be prepared. And most of the breakthroughs in life comes when you stop resisting the season and start embracing it. Pansinin nyo. Literally, for example, when I learned to accept change, new routines, new ways of earning, yeah, new ways of thinking, doon ako mas gumaan. Mas naging open sa opportunities, mas naging hopeful. Yun. So, if you feel like you're entering a new season, kahit ano pa yan, maybe personal, career, right? If may desire ka na mag-grow, mag-level up, right? Or try something new, wala lang, try a new hobby or whatever, listen to that tug in your heart. May something, may kirot. Sometimes all you need is someone to talk or a simple guidance to help you understand what this season is trying to teach you. And if ever you want to chat about transitions, growth, or exploring new possibilities, message me. No pressure, just conversation. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for spending your few minutes with me. I hope whatever season you're in right now, you find peace, clarity, and courage. And like what I always say, choose to be happy all the time and focus on what matters. And for today's topic, remember, season change. And of course, tayo rin. So do we, right? Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. I'll see you again It's me again, Mary Ann. Have a nice day. Bye!